How to turn on or turn off camera picture softening on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on this four dot icon and click on settings icon. Now in camera settings, scroll down and here showing you camera assistant. After click on camera assistant, you will see here showing you picture softening. If you want to turn on picture softening, click on picture softening and click on. You will see picture softening is turned on. If you want to turn off picture softening, so click on off, you will see picture softening is turned off. You will turn on or turn off picture softening from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off camera picture softening on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.